Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho cooking Spanakopita. It's a Greek spinach pie. The ingredients are in the recipe box below. It is actually a vegetarian dish. It tastes amazing and it's really easy to make. We've just got some phyllo pastry here. We're just putting that to one side. To a bowl we are going to add our ricotta cheese. There's a smooth ricotta, you could use any sort of ricotta actually. Our eggs, just mix that all around. A couple of eggs. Vegetable salt. Freshly cracked pepper, pinch of nutmeg, some Parmesan cheese, just grated Parmesan cheese. We want this all well combined. Spring onions, some grated tasty cheese, and we've just got a great big handful of baby spinach which we have just roughly chopped. I'm not going to steam this first, it's already been washed, it's thoroughly dried. And we're going to mix that through as well. If you're using silver beet or chard or something like that, you might want to steam it first and squeeze any excess moisture out of it. But this is going to cook fairly quickly in our phyllo pastry, which is just going to be brushed with butter. And we're actually going to cook it in the Kmart Family Pie Maker. So you've got a fairly high cheese to spinach ratio there, so you might have a bit less trouble getting the kids to eat it. Okay, let's put that to one side while we prepare our pastry. So we just get a couple of sheets, brush it with some butter, put another couple of sheets on top. Okay, we've just got some melted butter here. Brush our sheets with our melted butter, and this will give us a nice crisp finish to our pastry. Another couple of sheets on top of that. This pastry's been in the freezer, so it's only just thawed out, being a bit difficult to get along with. Another couple of sheets. Okay, just turn that last sheet over and then the butter will be in between it then. Very, very delicate, this pastry. Okay, alrighty. Now, put that over, out of our way. Now we're going to get this and we're going to roll it up. You know how I like making rolled things? Any of our filling in here. This is great filling if you want to make some little pies in a individual pie maker as well. Okay, now we're just going to roll that up loosely. Okay, get our pie maker, which hasn't been turned on yet. Brush it with some butter, top and bottom, and get our Spanakopita and loosely tie it around like so. Now it's a nice big fat sausage. Okay, and we're just going to turn it on, close the lid, and cook it until it's nice and golden brown all over. Okay, with the mixture that I've got left over, I'm going to show you how to make the little simple individual pies with it, with my Sunbeam Pie Magic 4. So we're just going to get our pastry like we did before, separate it out, and brush it with butter. So some melted butter on there, fold some sheets over, one or two, doesn't matter, more butter. Another sheets over, and that really wants to stick to itself there, doesn't it? Sometimes it doesn't cope as well as it might after it's been frozen. There, more butter. Okay, I just had to get a little bit more butter for this because I need to butter the inside of the pie maker as well. Okay, so just put that over there and turn it over and do the same thing on the other side. Just separate them out. Okay. And then butter this all up, and that way every surface has got some butter on it. Alrighty, now just pop that back on there. I'm going to cut this into 4 and put it into our pie maker. So, pie maker over here now. Brush it with some butter, top and bottom. Fashion our pieces of phyllo in amongst there. Okay. And then just top it up with our filling that we've made. Ready. Okay, now we just turn on our pie maker, close our lid, and cook them until the pastry is nice and crispy and the filling is quite set. Don't shut the lid completely because it'll cut the pastry off. Okay, now that is doing its thing. Okay, just while our little four magic is cooking our individual pies, we'll just bring this up and you can see it's puffed up, it's lovely and golden. Because it was empty in the center, the heat was able to just be distributed quite well into the middle, and we can just take this out and then just slice it and serve it with, I don't know, nice Greek salad. Don't use anything sharp to get your food out of your pie maker because you'll damage the surface of it. And as you can see, it hasn't stuck at all. It's ready to be sliced and served. Just wipe that out when it's cold and you've got a lovely light vegetarian dish. Hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration of Cheekyricho cooking Spanakopita. If you would like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, simply check out our Cheekyricho cooking channel, and don't forget to please subscribe, and do come back and visit us again soon. We've got so much more to show you and we're uploading lots of videos. Okay, we've shown you 2 ways to cook our little Spanakopita pies. We're just going to fetch these little fellas out now. That pastry is really quite delicate. And these are great to pop in the kids' school lunch boxes, take to work, have with a little bit of salad or something. As you can see, they're really easy to make, taste gorgeous, and they're great for a picnic as well. Serving that with a little bit of salad. I'll show you what it looks like inside. Okay, just cut this in half. It's well cooked. And there you have it, like a little spinach quiche. Gorgeous vegetarian lunch. And see, the spinach doesn't go all soggy in it because you haven't put too much in there, and it's the baby spinach anyway. So good, so good. Okay, now we're just going to cut a wedge out of this. It's really quite soft and really quite hot, and we're serving it with a Greek salad and a little slab of crispy skinned salmon. So, see, look at that. Okay, you can see that it's all set. It's nice and crispy on the bottom. It smells great and it's going to taste divine. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.